Morning YouTubers, another great day. The wind is blowing, so there's no, well, not wind, there's a breeze, and that's great because it keeps the temperature down and there is no mosquitoes and midges biting me. When there's a breeze they disappear, so very happy today. So that bit walled up yesterday and I've just prepared this bit here, and I've only just remembered to switch the camera on, so my apologies. Life is life. So a few things about this that are different than usual. As you can see, I've got Jutevi Uteplitl on this bit of wall. Now this is an internal bit of wall, and I bet you're thinking by now, why is putting insulation on an inside wall? It's not necessary. Well, you're absolutely correct, it wouldn't be necessary, but for the fact that it's an internal wall, but it is actually the entranceway, so there can be a doorway there and there'll be another doorway here, and this is what they're basically in Russian houses. You come in and there's a cold bit and then into a warm bit, so you're closing the outside door before you open the inside door. So if you've got a big gap under the wall, or tiny gap, breeze, every time you open the front door, the breeze is going to go through into the living room or the guest bedroom. So in this case, this needs the insulation in between these bits. Further on, it doesn't need it. Internal walls don't need that Jutevi insulation. It's fine without it. It's just literally for the outside, the top of the contour, or the warm contour of the house, and where that is. Anything inside doesn't need it. So this bit is, like I say, it's internal but kind of external as well. So that's that wall up. It's nailed in now, as you can see. I've just got to finish off with a bit of spray where I've, on the underside where I've missed it. Get all that. As you can see that on this one here, there's a little bit of darkening, blackening. It's not mould, but it's, if I left it, it would be. So that's got to be sprayed as well. But you can see, I'll show you now. This is where I split the wall. There's a line on there. Where I split the wall, and I put an extra stud, mini stud, right in there, just where I've split the wall. So half on one piece, half on another, and that'll do the job nicely. So yeah, that's the internal wall, or tambour or corridor. So that's the entranceway there, and then there'll be another door here somewhere when I get to the plant and work it out. So next up is this wall here, which should be very simple. I'm doing something a little bit different here. On this case there is no diagonal bracing because it's two doors followed by a big door over there, so there's impossible to put any diagonal bracing in.